If you like lemon, you're gonna love this recipe. 3 ingredients, super simple, vegan lemon cookies. And lemon, if you didn't know it already, is good for heart health, it's good for weight loss, and it's great for your digestion. Let's take a look at how to put this one together. So the first thing you're gonna need is to have 1 lemon that's juiced, de-seeded, and zested. And I wanna show you how to zest and juice a lemon by hand. You might already know, but some don't, so let's just show you. You take a zester like this, and you're just gonna scrape it on there and keep rolling it as you scrape it until it keeps taking off the outer layer. And you get zest. That's all that takes. Then you wanna take, after you've zested the entire thing and it's white, you're gonna take it and cut it in half. You can pick out these seeds right here. But if any seeds drop into your bowl, just pick them out. So we're gonna take a bowl and we put a fork right in the middle, and you're going to wiggle the fork back and forth, and you're going to keep moving it and squeezing. So you squeeze all of the juice out of the lemon, like that. Keep going till you get all of it. Then you can pick out the seeds that are in there. Really easy to pick them out. And now your lemon is usable for a recipe. Okay, I've already done this for this recipe, but I wanted to show you that before we got started. So now we're gonna put it together. Here's the lemon, 1 lemon zested, de-seeded, and juiced. We put that in our bowl. We follow it with 1 cup of almond flour. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're gonna mix this together until it's blended. Once it's blended, we're gonna put it into a cling-free wrap and put it in the freezer for 10 minutes until we'll bring it out, and then we'll put it on the cookie sheet. Let's take our cling-free wrap. We move it right onto that. Wrap it up. And it goes in the freezer for 10 minutes. So now I've frozen it so it's nice and solid for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna use 2 spoons and scoop it into little rounds onto a cookie sheet. I say grease cookie sheet because if you don't have these, which you don't have to grease, you'll wanna make sure it's greased or it is an anti-stick cookie sheet. But these make it really simple. Put on, everything comes off, you don't need any extra oils. So you might wanna consider getting those. Right here, we're gonna unwrap it. We're gonna take it, we're gonna put it here. Same as our peanut butter cookies, we wanna crisscross it. Now that I have them on the tray and I've wet my fork and crisscrossed them, they're ready to go in the oven at 350 for 9 to 10 minutes until it's just lightly brown around the outside, and you want to cool them on the tray before you take them off. They're so delicious. These lemon cookies are so delicious. Everybody's gonna love them. They are just so delightful on your palate. And guess what? They're weight loss cookies too.